again, and to spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hey, I'm Joe, this is Taylor, and this is Baby Bertha, and this is our bus, Big Bertha. Big Bertha from, if you ever seen Pee Wee Herman, Big Bertha was on there. So this is what we named our bus.
I haven't seen that in a while, but
Yeah,
yeah.
but Big Bertha was on Pee Wee Herman movie, when he was looking for his bike.
So here's a tour of the inside. And then Joe can kind of answer some questions about the outside if you want to know about some solar. He did everything. So we kind of turned this little chair around to make a little captain's chair a little bit. We got a couch here for guests and a little bed here for Baby Rafa. We have a pull-out couch, so we kind of pull this out. We also have 3 heaters. So our first diesel heater, you passed it up there. It's one right there. It's a diesel heater right here in the middle. And the vent comes out the bottom of our couch right there. And then this is our kitchen area. I do burners, so I have like the portable burners, the stove top, you know, everything, so we can put it away while we're driving. We have a washer and dryer hookup here. We have a microwave, freezer, refrigerator. Here's the bathroom. So we have a nice shower here, brush the toilet, some good space, and you know, for the sink and everything.
Yeah, I like the space of the bathroom here. It's not all crammed in. And
yes, it's really spacious. You know, you can move around. We got a door here where you get some privacy, a door there for some privacy. And then this right here is our room. You can kind of call it like the little master room. The setup of this is more like a tour bus. And the people that we bought it from, they were a rock band, and so they kind of had it set up in this way, and so we kind of just stuck with the layout and put our own twist on it. So that's kind of the layout that we kind of get from it. So we got some storage there, some storage underneath, and then we have another heater that comes out underneath there.
And of course, being a tour bus, you've got basement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep, a lot of underneath storage, you know, for everything.
Now, how much, do you know how much fresh water you take?
We have a 200-gallon tank.
Oh.
Yes.
I think I'd buy a 40-gallon tank.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, it's just me, but
Yeah, yeah.
200 would last me a couple months.
We have a 14-year-old that thinks he's in a house, so he just runs water like crazy. So
Sure.
it comes in handy with him. Yeah, so yeah, we have a 200-gallon tank, and what else can I add in here? Yeah, just pretty good storage underneath. And then we have how many solar panels? I think about 6 or 8 up there at the top. Joe will tell you more about the solar panels, but yeah, we get pretty good. Well, we have a battery bank, and so the solar panels charge up the battery bank, and yeah, and that's how we run off of it.
Well, you can stay quite a while. You get enough power off the sun and plenty of water, you can...
Yes, we can pretty much sustain ourselves, and we really like it that way, because we used to have to hook up, you know, always looking for RVs, places to hook up. So now, you know, being able to be self-sustainable is so much better. Yeah.
Now, do you have any kind of like social media presence if somebody wanted to ask questions? Or?
Oh yeah, my social media is at I am Taylor Watts on Instagram. Joe's is Joe Young Spike on Instagram, and also we have a business page for Atlanta House of Shoots, so ATL House of Shoots. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Thank you for the tour.
Yeah, you're welcome.